In this video, we're going to learn how to express intentions in Japanese using つもり. Let's start with how to say I intend to do something in Japanese. To express this, we can use the verb in its short form plus つもりです. For example, if Shiro wants to say I intend to get married, the short form for get married is 結婚する. So I intend to get married would be 結婚するつもりです. It's important to note that when we say つもりです, it means we have the intention to do something. But it doesn't necessarily mean it's going to happen or the plan is final. On the other hand, 結婚します, which means I will get married, sounds more like a firm statement of what will happen. Now, what if Shiro doesn't intend to get married? To say, I don't intend to do something in Japanese, we use the ない form of the verb, plus つもりです. For example, I don't intend to get married is 結婚しないつもりです. Notice that this directly translates to I intend to not get married. But it's the natural way to say I don't intend to get married. Now let's look at how to express past intentions. Let's say Shiro originally planned or intended to get married, but things have changed. To express a past intention, we use the short form of the verb plus つもりでした. For example, I intended to get married is 結婚するつもりでした. Notice that we changed つもりです to つもりでした to show that the intention was in the past. Also, using つもりでした implies that the plan didn't happen. Let's practice with more examples. I intend to go to Japan and teach English. 日本に行って英語を教えるつもりです。日本に行って英語を教えるつもりです。I'm getting married next spring, but I don't intend to quit my job. 来年の春、結婚します。でも、仕事は辞めないつもりです。来年の春、結婚します。でも、仕事は辞めないつもりです。Darth Vader is determined, and he wants to say, I don't intend to tell this secret to Luke. この秘密はルークに言わないつもりです。この秘密はルークに言わないつもりです。Let's say Shiro originally intended to buy a house, but for some reason she ended up renting an apartment instead. And she wants to say, I intended to buy a house, but I rented an apartment. 家を買うつもりでしたが、アパートを借りました。家を買うつもりでしたが、アパートを借りました。I intended to lounge around at home over the weekend. 週末はうちでゴロゴロするつもりでした。週末はうちでゴロゴロするつもりでした。Please note that this sentence doesn't say whether she actually lounged around or not, but using つもりでした implies that she ended up not lounging around. He said that he intends to propose to his girlfriend. 彼女にプロポーズするつもりだと言っていました。彼女にプロポーズするつもりだと言っていました。Now let's try some quizzes. Can you say, I intend to go to Japan next year? 来年、日本に行くつもりです。 来年日本に行くつもりです。Can you say, as for this year, I don't intend to travel. 今年は旅行しないつもりです。今年は旅行しないつもりです。Can you say, I'm sorry, I intended to send a text right away. すみません、すぐにメールを送るつもりでした。すみません、すぐにメールを送るつもりでした。Can you say, I intended to make a cake, but I didn't have time. ケーキを作るつもりでしたが、時間がありませんでした。ケーキを作るつもりでしたが、時間がありませんでした。Today we learned how to express intentions in Japanese using つもり。Thank you for watching. ありがとうございます。